How to log in WeChat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in to your WeChat account. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WeChat app on your phone, and once you have opened the app, simply tap on the login option shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now next, you will see the screen where you need to enter your region and phone number. So simply select your region from the drop-down list and type in your phone number in the space provided. And once you're done with it, simply tap on accept and continue. And if you have previously logged in using Facebook or an email address, you can choose those instead. Now next, on the next screen, you can see the option labeled password. Simply type in the password, and once you're done with it, simply tap on login. Now at this point, WeChat will ask you to verify your identity. So you will need to complete a quick verification step like dragging a puzzle piece to its correct position. And after that, you may need to verify your account using a SMS code. So select the SMS verification option and WeChat will send a code to your phone. Once you get that code, simply enter the code in the field provided and simply tap on the submit. And once the verification is successful, simply tap on login. And that's how you can log in to your WeChat account. With this, if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.